Yo, welcome back to Containing Luxury. On this episode, we're going to be looking through our new 20-foot bunkhouse. Let's get started. Okay, so the 20-foot bunkhouse is almost done, but we're going to give you a tour anyway. So as you can see, this is pretty sweet. All glass front end. So that's gonna be the new design on all of them. The 40 foots, the 20 foots, everything. This is all storefront glass. This is the clear aluminum. So it also won't rust out, corrode, all that kind of stuff. And we've got full commercial door closers on these things. Automatically close itself. Quite nice, quite nice. And the cool interior. Okay, so starting at the front here, we've got a mini split system, which is controlled by your thermostat mounted on the wall right here. If you see some paint touch-ups, it's still in construction. Don't mind that, stuff that still needs to be done. This is a little couch. This is a couch that folds into a bed. It's actually a decent size, so you can easily fit 2 adults on it. It's really nice too, Amazon. I think it was like 400 bucks, 500 bucks. Might be more than that. We've got washer and dryer connection points here. Strictly optional, you don't even need to utilize them, but we're gonna probably put a countertop across here and then just a little all-in-one washer dryer down there below. You've got power to hook it up. And then if we put a countertop across there, we still have an outlet. So you can put a coffee maker, even put an upper cabinet in, have like a little kitchenette there. And then we've got a cool folding desk, which I will throw in the B-roll from the 40-foot container that we just installed it in. And that thing's awesome. It just folds out of the wall. We've got Lindsay here just doing a really good job showing how it functions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice little addition. And that's gonna go right in this vicinity. We've got the power there, so it will probably fold off of this wall, so you can either sit on that side or that side, and the outlet would be just below this tabletop. Then we haven't painted the door yet or anything. Then you're coming in to your bathroom area. Hopefully this isn't super echoey. We've got a nice little kitchen, not a kitchenette, nice little vanity here. And we've got a water heater with the owner's manual, which is enough. We actually have this exact same setup over in Texas. Now again, paint touch-ups still gotta happen. But it's plenty of water or hot water to be able to shower comfortably. This is going to be super echoey, I know. Sorry about the audio in advance. Super nice glass door here with a nice rollers on there. And then in here, we're still missing the recessed light that needs to go up in there, which is gonna be super bright because we already have 2 in here. We've got the bathroom fan that vents out through the floor, and then shower panel system. I kind of briefly touched on what that looked like in the last video of putting the vinyl on the walls. This thing is awesome. If you haven't seen these, I love them. We install them all over the place because you get your body jets in there. So you've got like a rain shower head up here, sorry. This is a waterfall function up there. And then you've got your body jets and your handheld. And each one of those functions is individually diverted off of these controls. And this is purely your temperature. So once you set that to like, okay, this is what I like to take showers at, all I need to do is open up water to whatever fixture, and eventually the water will reach that set desired temperature. So I really like that. This is what I have in my house, in my bathroom. So that was kind of what we were hoping to do, is to give you the high-end finishes. Like, I'm a general contractor, and we wanted to put what would I want in my house. That was the finish we were going for. So we've got a really nice drywall, modern finish in here. We've got PVC baseboards. Don't mind all the paint touch-ups, I know. We've got PVC baseboards though, and those are gonna be silicone to the floor. This flooring is 100% waterproof, and the baseboards are gonna be 100% waterproof. So you could essentially mop all these floors, go up against the baseboard, and you don't have to worry about swelling or particle board that you so often find in other builds. Obviously the toilet goes right there. We've got a really nice modern toilet for there. it feels huge in here. You got plenty of room, and I mean, let me turn off the lights. And we're facing the opposite direction of the sun right now. Nice and bright because you have this beautiful all glass window. You imagine like if you had this out in the mountains or Arizona, and you've got like cool desert landscape. I've got a little koi pond out here, so you kind of get the idea of something. We love these things. And for the price, check out containingluxury.com. These are a great unit for potential rental income, short-term rental, Airbnb. That's what we're doing with this property in Texas. And also, if you want to know an estimate of how much you can make off of these units, I'm gonna create a video sharing exactly how much money I make Airbnb-ing these units in Texas. So stay tuned for that one. If you want to see that, make sure to make sure to subscribe. Oh, almost forgot. If you want to learn how to build this exact unit, literally identical. So this is the model we're doing everywhere. If you want to learn how to build these, go to containingluxury.com. We have a workshop coming up in February. Make sure it's February. It's on the website under workshops or under the shop section. You'll see we have one workshop available right now. It's a phase 1. It's going to cover all the insulation, framing, rough electrical, rough plumbing. Phase 2, which is not available yet, but it will be, is going to cover all of your wall finishing, your flooring, putting in your shower systems, all that kind of stuff. And then phase 3 is all the final touches, light fixtures, switches, outlets, plumbing fixtures, all that kind of stuff. So really in 3 weeks of courses, you can learn how to build an entire container home DIY, and we'll even share with you at that workshop the entire material list. So you can just bring that list, go to Home Depot or Lowe's and buy every single thing that's inside these. Some of it's gonna be an Amazon list, but for the most part, all of the materials. And we even have hookups from container brokers that we've networked with as well. So we'll be able to give you like a turnkey kit to build this entire thing yourself. Or if you don't want to build them yourself and you just want to get one and throw it on your property and start renting it out or live in it, you can purchase them directly from us at containingluxury.com. So that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. That's all I got for this video. Containing Luxury and the sweet 20-foot bunkhouse, we out.